gosh, you could just reach out and touch them. There's three. There's three of us. Oh my gosh.
That must be the alpha right there, so look at turn outside.
Oh my gosh, that is amazing. Holy cow. They're gonna jump in the boat. Surf's up, dude. Is he still in there?
I think they just dropped off.
Yeah, I was gonna say I don't see him in there anymore.